Hey guys, this is Tim back again. So this will be a tutorial video on how to run our LLM loss validator on top of Akash. So the whole process is quite simple. If you are directly accessing Akash Network's Git repository, you will find this awesome Akash repo where you can search our Flock template over here. So in this README, we briefly describe the usage, the documentation, and the support. Let's start with the usage to get your Flock API key and the task ID directly from our train.flock.io platform. As we come into our train.flock.io platform, we can see we have 3 tasks available. So the first task has been finalized, but you can still um, join into the second and third task where both of them are in the submission phase. Okay, in order to become a validator, you first need to get our Flock FML token, and then you need to select the task and stake in. So the minimal requirement is 50. As you can see, I've already staked into the task ID 3, this AI friend Loki. So now I am allowed to validate the model submitted by the training node. Now let's go back to the Git repository. So simply open this YAML. So we have provided this YAML for you to use. All you need to have is the Flock API key and the task ID. So we know the task ID will be 3 in this case. Next, we need to get our API key over here. Underneath your address, you will see this API tab, and then directly generate a new API, and then copy this API using this button. Now let's get into Akash Network console. So the Akash network is URL will be akash.network, and then once you're in, you can come in and deploy now. I will accept the disclaimer, and then so if you come into the find your template tab and search for Flock, simple, you will see this Flock validator, and then just tap it in, and then directly deploy. All we need to do is just use the API key over here, and then just paste it here, and then we know the task ID is free, and then create deployment. I connect my wallet, Kpro wallet. Oh, wait. Okay, so I have 3.3 AKT at the moment, and then all I will do is just use 0.5 and then continue. I'll make my transaction, approve the transaction. Let me just select this provider, the cheapest one. So it's NVIDIA P40. Let me just select accept the bid and then approve it. Now it's deploying. Let's just wait for the deployment to complete. Okay, so now it has been successfully created. You can see over this line and scaling up the validator. So now this is active, so we can just leave it over here as we go along. Let's go back to my account. So this one, home. So I have 2 active. So I have currently 2 active cluster deployed. That's so one is the Flock validator, the other one is the previous validator I did my test on. So now welcome in. You are now a validator that is deployed on top of Akash network. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, please tag along into our Discord. And also we have set up a dedicated validator chat to resolve any issues you have. Thank you very much. This is the end of this video.